Perua. Remua mai loa. Sa ila uo mai le au champingi Malo perua pasawa mari puat kawaka ya malo luai le toi si au toi le o uma mai tatu I ai se taimi ona fai atu le setala ma fai wel tatu fa moi moi ya ala tatu hanga I lua il tatu Laugātogi mua ya ya mai ai le
ia lewa umana lau atu e sunga whawhenga ia tūla tau au ni whaiaso ma latu whamoimoi ala amata mai lalo I le tatou bowl ma whailonga tatou bowl ia for the women's bowl champs I tau sanga lua afe lua sifulu malefa ua man malo I le au leo Katos women's
bowl for women kat mai ya mamu
Pati mama mole.
Hey, pulaka. Vai, eu.
Thank you.
Yeah, ole tato awat li'i for the men's bowls I le tausanga ole le aulea aute tausala.
Yeah, ole aute. Awal sungai whawhengai ngai ai oapo. Ea, malota alu. Ea, sei pualeaka. Vai o sei pualeaka.
Tai.
Ilo o mai tūlanga lea o le the plate champs for 2024. For the women's, mawena I Porido United women. Mawena the plate shield, malata teutu si tol slatala. Pati mai for Porido women's.
Thai.
Plate Altama men's plate this year is Puriroa Sama-sama, Puriroa United Sama-sama. Malasa til tusi e tolu silau tala. Pati mai? Yay!
Thai.
Ya, tato o mai tato ipo tu. Siampini foi o le Filimalae o netau sangai. Wo oro fata mai ta. Ea, ua tulai mai nei, le ula lei, wai nui o mata. Male fitu se Laugātogi. Kapitenina Luana McAfee from
Thank you. Thai.
Malo. Ya. All the runners up. Oh. Oi. Valley Bears. Hi. Yeah, that's Kirikiti. Oh, okay. Yeah, ole soa tuai male. Ole a foi nei ole. Runners up or Valley Bears. Valley Bears. Ole masa Laugātogi.
Thai.
O mai loa ele tatou sampingi nei tausanga I our li'i wa manma loa ele au o min Puriroa United Moana. Puriroa United Moana. Yeah. Leifu male lato sil tusi e apetala. Yeah, alia. Yeah, thank you. Pati mai po Puriroa United Moana. Hello, pati mai. If I like tato consolation prizes more au in our Kamilo Sanga like normal, so we have sang Kilkusi Kaisilaka more aula from the men. So Hat Tigers from Mole, Rata Rhinos, Ulale, Bulwafi and Resine Boys. Can you come up please? Pati mai. So Hat Tigers. Resine Boys, Resine Boys, Resine Boys. Ulale and Bulwafi. Pati mai. Oh, Rata Rhinos and Rata Rhinos. Yeah, Rata Rhinos. Yeah. And Bulwafi. Thank you. Yep. Whapinai na fo'i wa tāpina taʻisila tala mō tātou aua tamaitai. So can we please have Aotea Tausala Women's and Hut Girls Women's and Atafa Women's. Thank you. So this is Aotea Tausala. Pati mai. Yeah, Hut Girls. and Atafa. Malolo Patipati Mai, thank you. Yeah, matatofa ilong mulmulila. Yeah, it's a special prizes. So Aisilia, Olosilia, Atamaitai, Papinai na fo'i ia our li'i or our means. So one more. Yeah, Aisilia for our women's teams. This goes to this person ngamawa ai e tolu sefulu malefito, so 37 runs. Ila ta'alonga la lea against just recently, the one that just on the backfield. But we have Mati Whitman from Ulale with 37 runs. Mati Whitman. It's a long left at the Aute one. Q. So she has her medal, Maloa, her plaque, Limas Futala. Fatima for Mati. Aisilia, and we have Aisilia Atama or Li'i. We have Joe from Puriru United Moana. Oh no, sorry. You're the next one. You're still getting your prize. Sorry, that's my bad. We have Fa'alata from Puriru United. He received 48 runs in the game versus Auke. So can we please have Fa'alata up? Thank you. Auke for Paula Jolie. Put the wrong one for you. Aisilia, fast for Malval. Well done. Paki Mai. Well done. Yeah, Olosilia for our women's. We have is it Soana? Yeah, from Katos, who received 9 wickets. Thank you. And that was in the Kalonga Katos versus Atafa. Well done. Patipati Mai mo Soana. Yeah, okay, milange for you, Joe. So Joe from Puriru United Moana is the Olosilia in the game versus Auke, who received 7 wickets. Thank you. Yeah. Puriru United, well done. Puriru United Moana. Malo. Baki mai mo Joe.